car has evolved quite fast and had a crucial role in shaping the history of mankind and will continue to do so. And ever since the first car was ever sold commercially, it was a dream of gliding around in the sky, as simple as driving on highway. It was indeed a decade-old dream. Since then, man made experiments with several things attached to the car, but nothing seems to have come closer to achieving a flying car than Japan's SkyDrive, one among the hundreds of flying car projects around the world. It recently carried out a successful test drive of the flying car with one person on board. The test flight lasted for about 4 minutes. The propellers attached to the car lifted it several feet off the ground. One of the major hindrances the company had to face is the safety of the passengers. However, the head of SkyDrive effort said that he hopes the flying car can be made a real-life product by 2023. And the press also mentioned that out of more than 100 such flying car projects around the world, only a handful of them has succeeded with one person on board. So safety and practicality are very important aspects of the commercial side of the product. The testing was done in a netted area due to safety concerns. These vehicles can offer quick point-to-point personal travel, at least theoretically. In the beginning stages, this can be used in secure areas with limited environment, like shuttle services in big companies and such. This can do away with the hassles of airports and traffic jams. But this comes with several challenges like battery sizes, air traffic control and other infrastructure issues, and mainly the cost. If this is gonna cost $10 million, no one is gonna buy this. And if it flies just for 5 minutes, no one is gonna buy this. And if it stops working mid-air, no one is gonna buy this. So, there are 100 challenges to build a working flying car, but there are 1,000 challenges to make it commercial. So, just a successful test flight doesn't guarantee that you can buy one very soon. But don't let your hopes down. When Wright brothers founded the aviation industry, it had several challenges they had to overcome. Similarly, when Henry Ford started the auto industry, there were people who said it was just not possible. But here we are booking flight tickets on our phone while driving a car to the airport. So everything is impossible until someone shows up and proves us otherwise. The SkyDrive project had a humble beginning in 2012 and had a funding from top Japanese companies like Toyota and Panasonic. And it's worth noting that a test flight 3 years ago didn't go well. Every piece of technology that ever happened, from smartphones to airplanes to self-driving cars, took time to win social acceptance. So, let our hopes be high. Maybe one day we will hover over our buildings and park our cars on rooftops. If you enjoyed the video, do let me know by smashing the like button. Even a gentle tap would do. And consider subscribing if you want to know more about such amazing tech, or at least we will give you a heads up when one of these flying cars comes for sale. My name is Sanosh and this is Starboy, and I will see you in the next one.